Hi guys, it's Anafan. Today I will teach you how to fix the headphone band using one type of glue stick. Okay, basically this headphone is made from plastic, and we all know that we can fix it with the glue stick. Here in our family we have so many different kinds of glues, but then what we do have to use right now is one kind of liquid glue. Okay, so it is the one side of the headphone. It was broken due to one time I was step on that, and luckily it still can be cured. For the inside, for the fixing inside of the wire and things, I have been making a video to show you that. You can check it out from this link. Okay, now we will use that glue stick and glue the glue liquids and to weld it over. First of all, you have to put all the lines inside of the headphone first. Then we'll be using the glue. One type of glue here is we all have that from the Chinese, made in Chinese. As you can see, as you may see it here, made in Chinese. I'm not sure that where you guys have it and what does it made from. Another type of glues in my house that I have is two components glues, which means A and B, which we call it also A and B glues. Okay, so you will be using the tips on the tip of the glue bottle. Use that and basically just fill it in. Alright, it's not easy at all to be holding aboard the camera and the glue and of course the headphone as well. Alright, so what we need to do is you have to make it to all the corners to be in. Then sorry, a little bit, my camera was down. Alright, so now I will show you that on the corner of that, there you go, here. You can also if you don't want to open it anymore with this, since some of the broken headphones can be very annoying if you don't want to like make it stick forever, but I'll just keep it there like that. I still have to use that since I have to open the headphone bigger or smaller, just resign the headphone. So as you can see, now I use the glue stick. Then you'll be doing like that with the other side. Ouch, looks like the camera doesn't work so well. Okay, so there you go, here it is. Just use like that to the liquids inside that one. Then wait for about few seconds or a minute, and then it will be dry. One type of thing is another video I will show you guys how to clean the residue of all this kind of glue stick by using one small knife, okay, or using one kind of blade. Thanks so much for watching the video. I am Adfan and hope to see you guys on the next video of clean the residue.